Hi, welcome to the Microscopy 101 YouTube channel, all about microscopy. Well, with COVID-19 still with us, we're all learning new ways of communicating, particularly with this sort of media, and Microscopy 101 is introducing a new remote training service. Microscopy 101 was formed about 4 years ago, and principally our services are aimed at Zeiss customers who are using Zeiss microscopes and imaging, axiocams, Zen Blue, Zen Core, Matscope, Labscope. We provide a training service to assist in all aspects of microscopy, from bright field, general microscopy in life sciences, industry, and academia. And during this time we've provided literally training for thousands of people face to face. So the new remote service is going to rely on products like Zoom, WebEx, Cisco, TeamViewer, and we'll be able to set up quite comprehensive training using stock resources which will be developed for this channel, and also bespoke one-to-one services linked in through these communication portals. We're able to look at software in detail. We can go through the software and explain the features. This can be on an individual basis, or we can set up a group arrangement. We have the possibility to work with macro, so that we can actually demonstrate certain features. We can also look at the microscope controls. We can look inside the microscope. On the macro view here, we've got a camera that we can actually pop inside the microscope and look at what's going on there. And of course we can look at the images that come from the microscopy itself. Individual sessions will be tailor-made for the customer, and you will be able to explain what you need, and we'll be able to put together a presentation, assisted learning for that particular topic. Stock presentations will be less than 10 minutes long. They'll be short, instructional, aimed at the practical user rather than the theory so much, and we'll cover all of the adjustments that you need for digital cameras, eyepieces, how you set up the different contrast techniques. We'll be covering bright field, phase, dark field, DIC, fluorescence. We can cover all of those techniques during the instructional videos. Additional resources are available through our website, and there are links to various other training resources. So if you think this is something of interest, please contact us and we'll make some arrangements to work directly with you. And thanks for watching. You can follow up on the website here, or have a look at some of the other content if you wish. Thank you.